Hey everybody, it's Artrisa Lynn. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to be switching it up a little bit and showing you all how I get all this volume on day one. Yes, it is definitely possible to have all this volume on your day one curls. So if you want to see how I went from this to this, just keep on watching. And since this is not a wash and go tutorial, I am just going to breeze through my step-by-step process and get right to what you guys came here for. However, if you do want to see how I do my wash and goes from start to finish, I will link to previous videos in the description box below, or they will pop up somewhere here on the screen. But let's get to what you came here for, how to achieve volume on day one hair. Now, if you've watched my previous videos, you know that I usually like to air dry my hair. But lately I've been using this technique where I blow dry my hair because I found out that I can get volume and body on day one. I'm just using my blow dryer without any attachments, but if you prefer to use a diffuser attachment and that works best for you and your hair, go ahead and do that. So I'm not starting off on soaking wet hair. I've walked around the house maybe about a good 30 to 40 minutes. So my hair is still very wet, but it's about, I don't know, 20-25% dry. And for the settings, I have the heat on low and speed is on high because your girl's not trying to be here for an hour waiting for my hair to dry, you know? So you want to make sure when you're blow drying or diffusing your hair that you get under your hair, you get the back of your hair, and you want to make sure you get your roots. I also do a little side-to-side action. I want to make sure my hair that's underneath is dry. This also helps to create with volume and it gives your hair body. I flip my hair over to get more of the back and also to get the ends. You'll notice that I'll cut my ends in my hair just to make sure that they're really getting dry. Again, you really want to make sure your roots are dry, that you're really getting inside, because this will play a huge part in eliminating frizz when it comes time to pick your hair. Towards the end, when it's almost dry, I kind of go a little wild with it, a little cray, because this helps me achieve body. So yeah, that's what's going on right here. So when my hair is about 90% dry, I take an elastic and I put my hair into a pineapple because this helps to stretch my hair and eliminate so much shrinkage on day one. And all my curly girls know shrinkage is so real. So this is if you find that your ends are still a little bit wet, go ahead and hit it with a little bit more blow dryer for a couple extra minutes and you'll be good to go. So I typically only leave my hair in a pineapple for about 15 to 20 minutes. My makeup is already done, but this is usually when I would apply my makeup. Once it's out of the pineapple, I just fluff it, and then you know what time it is. It is time to pick it out to perfection. And this is why it's so important to make sure your roots are completely dry, because when you pick, you are picking at the roots only and lifting it out to give your hair volume. I usually lift under my hair and I'm careful not to disturb the curl pattern of the hair that's on top. And that is it. That is how I achieve volume on day 1. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and check me out on social media. I'm at Artrisa Lynn everywhere. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.